Hi everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today we are going to discuss about all about shortcuts and how we can have them and how we can remove those shortcuts as such. Let's have a go. Very easy, and all of these things what you can do is you can just go to this pencil mark, customize this page, right? Have a go and click it, and you will find three things. One, you can obviously change the background, right? So you can have a different backgrounds if you whatever the background you want. For example, let's say inside this one again you have a different background, right? So whatever the things you like, you can choose it. And more importantly, what we are going to discuss today is the shortcuts. The shortcuts is, if you do not want to have all of these shortcuts, right, what is appearing in this one, you can just and enable it. It will hide all this one. Let's see that. So all it is hidden, so no, nothing will appear, right? Just in case you wanted to have it back or as a customized one, what you need to do is you need to go back and then go to the shortcuts, and then you can have either my shortcuts, the one which you have bookmarked or you created it, that you can come up, or you can just go with the number of website which you often go, right? For example, I'm just selecting this one, and it will go over here actually. So whatever the based on your need, you can do that. And then one last topic which I wanted to cover is that color. Like if you wanted to have a different colors, right? Say I wanted to have a dark blue color, you can have, so it will come like dark blue and all that. So I hope this basic video will help you. And with like if you do not want to have all of these shortcuts, you can just go back and have a change it as well. So once again I will go back and just disable all this, and so that whenever I open any site, it will come up and show only this the Google page where I can have a search and all that. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful